Hi everyone and welcome to my tutorial on making aesthetic seamless Instagram grids and carousels. I'm going to be using Canva and because we want three parts of this particular um, grid, we are going to use a 3240 by 10080 pixel size. Enjoy and I will come back at the end. Okay, so now we're going to be searching My Social Boutique on Google. That's the website that I use. You just upload your image and you select how many pieces you want your image cut into. So of course I'm doing 3. It will create the 3 separate files and you can just download them. And then you can use them on Instagram. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something new and you were looking forward to making your Instagram nice and aesthetic.